When we imagine the hypercar of the future, we know for sure that it will be an electric vehicle. Lamborghini brings us into the future and surprises us by introducing innovation in the form of a limited luxury vehicle. Its visionary approach to the future has led the brand to reach the limits of perfection in terms of the requirements of the third millennium around energy saving and innovative materials, to make a difference in the hypercar segment and become an unrivaled benchmark in the world of automobiles. The Lamborghini Terzo Millennio, Italian for Third Millennium, is a futuristic electric concept car introduced by Italian automobile manufacturer Lamborghini and developed in collaboration with the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. It is the first product of a 3-year, £100 million partnership between the two institutions. The Terzo Millennio was unveiled in November 2017 at the EmTech conference in Cambridge, Massachusetts, United States. The Terzo Millennio has an unbelievable exterior design with a unique all-electric powertrain. Lamborghini collaborated with professors of MIT to create a concept design for the all-electric sports car of the future. Its visionary approach to the future has led the brand to reach the limits of perfection in terms of the requirements of the third millennium around energy saving and innovative materials, to make a difference in the hypercar segment and become an unrivaled benchmark in the world of automobiles. Lamborghini opted to move away from conventional lithium-ion batteries and instead equipped the Terzo Millennio with supercapacitors seen in the V12-powered Aventador. Lamborghini stated in its press release that it wants its future energy storage systems to be able to deliver high peak power and regenerate kinetic energy, with minimal influence from aging and cycling during the vehicle's life. This concept technology made its way to the limited production Lamborghini Sian FKP37 in 2019, powered by a hybrid V12 powertrain. Some benefits of the supercapacitors include being 1/3 of the weight of traditional lithium-ion batteries, but can produce 3 times the power for the same density. Another benefit of supercapacitors is that they charge very quickly from regenerative braking and can instantly release that power. On the other hand, lithium-ion batteries take much longer to charge and release a steady stream of power. Supercapacitors become the future as they can deliver a large amount of energy and at the same time recover kinetic energy. In addition, supercapacitors do not age as fast as batteries, making them an even better resource for the environment. Another unique feature of the Terzo Millennio is that the electric motors are located on the wheels, allowing for 4-wheel drive. This, in turn, allows designers to have more freedom with the vehicle's exterior design, creating unique angles and aerodynamic elements that wouldn't be possible with large lithium-ion batteries and electric motors taking up space elsewhere in the car. Apart from offering great performance, Lamborghini is always focused on the sensations of driving their cars. Therefore, it is focused on surprising the lovers of the brand with innovations in their power supply, the used materials, and the amazing designs with a unique noise to produce a feeling of excitement that surprises the racing enthusiasts and those who like luxury and adrenaline. Its shape reduces its weight, increasing the availability of electrical energy by using composite structural materials to store electricity, such as a rechargeable battery. The new materials used have been carefully designed by MIT and Lamborghini to develop a new carbon fiber body capable of storing electricity. These body panels will use nanotubes to store the current, trapped between 2 sheets of carbon fiber. You could say that the body would be another battery in the car. The aim is to perfect the nanomaterial technology, distributing the nanocharges in the CFK panels that make up the body and components of the vehicle, which will thus act as electrical storage devices. Terzo Millennio also pushes the limits of science and technology thanks to regeneration. This concept car will not stop surprising you. Its technology is oriented towards a future much more impressive than electrification, the new concept of self-healing. The Italian factory says that 2030 will be the year in which we will find the world's first fully developed self-repairing car. At the moment, only 63 lucky ones will be able to enjoy this piece of futuristic innovation, a significant number, as it is a tribute to the foundation of the brand in 1963. We can't wait to test this technology and see what the next step in the modernization of hypercars will be.